In this video, we're going to go through the Integrations tab under the LifterLMS settings. This is Will Middleton. Let's dive into it. When you head to the LifterLMS settings and integrations, you'll see there are a bunch of integrations here listed for me. I'm currently on a 30-day demo site, which comes with all the features in the Infinity Bundle, so that's why I have all these options here. But you may just have something like BuddyPress and BBPress if you're using the free version of Lifter, and maybe something like private areas or MailChimp if you have one of the advanced add-ons there. What you're going to want to know about the integrations tab is that this is where you come to enable any of your add-ons. So we can see none of these add-ons here are installed, but we can see I do have private areas installed and enabled. But for this tutorial, I'll do social learning. We can see if I click on social learning, we'll see some options that pop up. These are specific to social learning, and we'll go into this in further depth in a different course. But we can simply click to enable this integration to use the plugin itself. So if I go back to the integrations area, for the private areas as an example, private areas is pretty simple and straightforward in that when you enable the integration, you have this option for private posts with one-on-one with students. So it has a couple of plugin-specific options, and the main thing you're going to want to look for is to enable this integration. So for private areas, you're going to want to install the plugin, activate the plugin, and also enable it. Enabling the plugin is something that a lot of people miss out on. So they're confused as to why the plugin's not operating on their site. That's the main thing you'll want to know about the integrations tab. It's where you come to enable plugins. I guess that about wraps it up for this tutorial. This has been Will Middleton. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.